BRICS is an acronym that stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, and refers to a group of 5 major emerging economies. In 2001, economist Jim O'Neill coined the acronym BRIC to refer to the 4 rapidly growing economies of Brazil, Russia, India, and China. South Africa joined the organization in 2010, and the acronym was changed to BRICS. The BRICS nations are all important players in their respective fields and contributors to the global economy. They account for more than 40% of the world's population, more than a quarter of global income, and a sizable portion of global natural resources. Countries of the BRICS. The BRICS are a group of 5 large emerging economies that have been designated as some of the world's fastest-growing economies. Brazil, South America's largest country, has a diverse economy that includes manufacturing, agriculture, and natural resources like oil and minerals. Russia is the world's largest country in terms of land area, with a highly developed economy fueled primarily by its oil and gasoline industries. India is the world's second most populous country, with a rapidly growing economy based on manufacturing, agriculture, and services like information technology and outsourcing. China has the world's second largest economy and the most people. It is famous for its exports, manufacturing industry, and technological advancements. South Africa, the continent's southernmost country, has a diverse economy based on industry, tourism, and mining. To promote economic cooperation and development among themselves, the BRICS countries established a number of cooperative projects and institutions, such as the BRICS Business Council and the New Development Bank, formerly known as the BRICS Development Bank. They also attend annual conferences to coordinate their positions on critical international issues such as trade, climate change, and international security. BRICS countries share many characteristics, such as large populations and rapid economic growth, but they also face distinct challenges and have distinct political and cultural histories. As a result, cooperation among the BRICS countries can be difficult, but their combined power is visible, and their influence in both the political and economic spheres is expected to grow in the coming years. The BRICS institutions have headquarters in various member countries. Number 1. NDB, New Development Bank. The NDB is headquartered in Shanghai, China, and was previously known as the BRICS Development Bank. Number 2. Contingent Reserve Arrangement, CRA. The CRA is a financial safety net that the BRICS countries established to provide each other with short-term liquidity support. The headquarters of the CRA are in Moscow, Russia. Number 3. BRICS Business Council. The BRICS Business Council is a mechanism for promoting trade and investment among the BRICS countries. Johannesburg, South Africa, serves as the council's headquarters. Number 4. The BRICS Academic Forum is a network of universities and research organizations dedicated to promoting academic cooperation among the BRICS countries. A rotating president presided over the forum, with each member country hosting the meeting during its tenure. It is important to note that, in addition to the projects and organizations listed above, the BRICS countries have a number of other initiatives and institutions whose headquarters may be in different member countries or overseas locations. The leaders of the 5 BRICS countries meet each year at the BRICS Summit. The summit's main goal is to discuss issues of mutual interest, such as trade, political coordination, and economic cooperation. The 15th BRICS Summit, scheduled for August in Durban, South Africa, is expected to be the BRICS Summit 2023. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa play important roles in international relations, economics, and global governance. The BRICS countries have among the fastest-growing economies in the world and account for a sizable portion of global GDP. They have sizable and expanding consumer markets, as well as an abundance of raw materials, energy, and other resources. To promote economic cooperation and development among themselves, the BRICS have established a number of cooperative projects and organizations. The BRICS countries have grown in importance in international affairs and are major powers in their respective regions. Although the BRICS countries' political systems, customs, and perspectives are extremely diverse, they all share a desire to advance multipolarity and change the global governance system. The BRICS countries benefit from advantageous geographical locations as well as formidable military and diplomatic capabilities. They have formed numerous significant alliances and partnerships in industries such as defense, energy, and space exploration. The BRICS countries are home to a significant portion of the world's population and have made significant progress in human development indicators such as education, health, and poverty reduction. They have launched a number of initiatives and organizations to promote long-term growth and social progress. The BRICS countries must strengthen their cooperation within the frameworks of the G20, the World Trade Organization, WTO, the World Bank, and the International Monetary Fund, IMF. The BRICS nations should strengthen macroeconomic policy coordination and multilateral collaboration. The BRICS countries should fully utilize tools for cultural and people-to-people interactions and collaboration, such as the Internet.